Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that can be crucial for anyone facing legal issues or seeking legal advice. How to choose the right lawyer for your needs. Now, choosing a lawyer can be a daunting task, especially if you have never needed one before. But don't worry, I will go through a step-by-step process on choosing an appropriate lawyer for you. Let's start with the first and perhaps most important factor, identifying your legal needs. Legal issues can vary widely, from criminal defense to family law to business contracts. The first step in choosing a lawyer is to clearly understand what type of legal assistance you need. Are you dealing with a divorce? Do you need help drafting a will? Or are you facing a business dispute that might likely end up in court? Different lawyers specialize in different areas, so it is crucial to find one with the right expertise. Step 2, research and referrals. Ask your family, your friends, or colleagues if they can recommend a good lawyer for your needs. Personal referrals are often a reliable source because they come from people you trust. Additionally, you can use online resources such as the Law Society of Singapore's website to find areas in the field that you need. Look for reviews and testimonials, but be cautious of overly positive or negative feedback. Once you have a list of potential lawyers, check their qualifications and experience. Ensure that they are licensed to practice in your jurisdiction, for example, in Singapore over here. And also ensure that they have the relevant experience in the field of law you need help with. Always double check, because a lawyer who claims to specialize in family law may not have much experience for divorces with an international dimension. For example, child custody for parents living in different countries, or splitting assets held in different jurisdictions. A criminal litigator may not be suitable if your case involves a contractual dispute that may go to the Court of Appeal. I have personally seen litigators. Litigators are people who go to court, okay? There's criminal litigation and there's civil litigation. I have personally seen litigators who try to do merger and acquisition transactions, and they are not usually very familiar with the nitty-gritty of contract drafting or the process of a mergers and acquisitions deal. And sometimes they may even make a mess of it. Next, many lawyers offer an initial consultation, often free or for a nominal fee. Use this opportunity to meet them and discuss your case. Pay attention to how they communicate. Are they clear and concise? Is their focus only on money, your fees, and trying to get you to engage them? Do they actually listen to your concerns? Are they patient? This meeting is also your chance to assess their professionalism and whether you are comfortable with them. Legal services can be expensive, so it is essential to discuss fees and costs upfront. Ask about the lawyer's fee structure. Is it hourly, and how much an hour? Do they bill by the minute, by 10-minute block, by 15-minute block? Sometimes for corporate deals, they do charge flat fees subject to certain conditions. And for some jurisdictions, they allow a contingency-based billing. That means if you no win, no fee. But in Singapore, we have a variation of that type of contingency. Make sure you understand any additional costs that may arise during the case. For example, court filing fees, interpreter fees, this fees, that fees. A transparent lawyer will always provide a clear fee agreement. Effective communication is key to a good lawyer-client relationship. Evaluate how responsive the lawyer is to your queries. Will they keep you updated on the progress of your case by email or WhatsApp on a daily or weekly or monthly basis? Ask them about it. Another important thing, make sure that the lawyer you choose is available to take on your case and doesn't have an overwhelming workload. Trust your instincts. You should feel confident and comfortable with your lawyer. If something doesn't feel right during the initial consultation, it might be best to look for someone else. So to recap, choosing the right lawyer involves identifying your legal needs, doing thorough research, checking qualifications, scheduling consultations, discussing your case, discussing your fees, evaluating communication with the lawyer, and trusting your instincts. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.